In this video, I'll show you how to verify work email on LinkedIn. In order to do that, just head over and click on your name right here, and then click on this view profile option. Now from in there, if your actual profile or email is not yet linked or verified, you can see in here an option that says it. So here's my actual profile, and you can scroll down, you can see your analytics, activity, and a lot more. So for this one, you can head over and then click on this contact info option, and then this will load right here and it will show you your email. So this email that I have right here is not yet verified. In order to verify it, you can click on this pencil icon, and then after that this will load. Here's my email, and then you can head over and then add in here a new email, or if you receive an email from LinkedIn to verify it, you can head over and verify it now. You can also click on this verify now option in order to make this possible. So that's how you verify work email on LinkedIn. Hope we help.